threading your needle like this. This is vertical. Now I'm threading, and I'm threading, but I'm looking up as I'm going up so that I can get it over my head, and then I can look forward once I've gotten it over my head flat. I mean, you could do it with the butterfly itself. Same thing. Look at your hands, look at your hands, look at your hands. Get it flat, get it flat, get it flat, then look forward. So when you're going up over your head, remember that you want to keep it close to your head. I want to keep it close enough to my head so that I can push up above it in the thread the needle. So the part that's down, or the part that's close to you when you're doing a normal thread the needle on this plane, this part that's close to you has to be close to the top of your head, just like it would be close to your body. I wanted you to start down here and look at your hands and look at your thread. Get comfortable with it. Fall into the trance of your own physiology, and then go up. Try looking up and getting the thread the needle first, and then looking forward. So underhand weave, step your right foot forward, turn left to counterclockwise pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, step your right foot forward, turn left to clockwise pinwheel. From your clockwise pinwheel, now we're going to turn to the right, come down into overhand weave, step your left foot forward, turn right to counterclockwise pinwheel away from me, and then turn right to underhand weave, step your left foot forward, turn right to clockwise pinwheel. Now we're going to turn left again, turn left to underhand weave, step your right foot forward, turn left to counterclockwise pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, step your right foot forward, turn left to clockwise pinwheel, we'll turn right one more time, come down to overhand weave, step your left foot forward, turn right to counterclockwise pinwheel, turn right to underhand weave, step your left foot forward, turn right to clockwise pinwheel, come down into clockwise hip reel, come back up into pinwheel, come back down into hip reel, come back up into pinwheel, come back down into hip reel, come back up into pinwheel, come down into overhand on the right, sweep back, chase the sun. Did you get it that time? So chasing the sun. And then, have we done this chasing the sun under the leg one? So from here, as you're coming on the bottom part, lifting your left leg and bring your left point under in a figure eight. What I thought I saw you do was this, where they both went under. So let's go into overhand weave. Open up the weave to chasing the sun. And then come up into pinwheel, split the time, go back to together time and back into chasing the sun. And now lift your left leg as you come under the left leg, back up into pinwheel, split time, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, underhand giant, left foot forward, and we're going to go into the swivel clockwise. And 3 more, 2 more, last one. Now turn to the left, 360, back into the pinwheel. Sorry, that was a terrible idea. Turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, and into the overhand giant. We'll go back into that swivel, turning left into the swivel for 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we're going to do a 360 to the left, come up into pinwheel, turn right to overhand weave, and then open it up, chase the sun, 3 more times, 2 more. Now on this next one, sweep up, wrap up the poi, come around to overhand buzzsaw on the right hand side. You're here, underhand. As the poi is coming over the top, when you get to here and you start turning, you stick your fingers out like this toward each other as you're turning and coming around, and then you make sure that the poi comes to the inside plane, so in between the 2 arms, and then it wraps around your fingers because you've stuck your fingers out as it's going over behind your back here. You stick the fingers out so that it wraps around them as it's coming around and it doesn't hit your face. You stick your fingers out, but you have to keep moving your hands in the same sweep over. So the sweep over is the same. But what you do is stick the fingers out, let it wrap. Okay, let's do that sequence a couple times. So overhand weave, and then turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, open up the weave, go into chasing the sun, and then we're gonna come down, lift the left leg, come underneath the left leg, up into pinwheel, then turning right to overhand weave, open up the overhand weave, chase the sun, for 3 more, and 2 more, and then after this next one, we're gonna come up over wrap, going to overhand buzzsaw here, and then you can go into your ending pose, and be done.